If the problem with your dryer is that when you put it in a drying cycle the dryer runs okay without any problem, but is not heating at all, the problem could be a blown thermal fuse. To check and replace it, do the following. Disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet. This is how you use a potty knife to decompress the clips on the bottom panel. Remove the bottom panel. Remove the two door springs. Disconnect this yellow wire from the moisture sensor. Open the door. Remove the lint filter and close the door. Remove the filter housing. The thermal fuse is located on top of the blower housing. Set your multimeter on the lower scale to read ohms. Disconnect one of the wires from the terminals of the thermal fuse. Take a reading between the two terminals on the thermal fuse. The reading should be close to 0 ohms. If the reading is infinity, the thermal fuse is blown and must be replaced. To replace it, remove the two wires from the thermal fuse. Remove the holding screw. Remove the bad thermal fuse. Set the new one in place. Secure it with a holding screw. Connect the two wires to the thermal fuse. It doesn't matter which wire connect to which terminal. Install the lint filter housing. Connect the yellow wire to the moisture sensor. Install the two door springs. Open the door and install the lint filter. Install the bottom panel. You need to make sure that there are no obstructions on the exhaust hose to the outside before using the dryer, or the thermal fuse could blow again. To see more of my free videos, visit my website at www.wdrvc.com.